Hi, I'm Chef Marshall O'Brien. I'm so excited to be here because the YMCA has partnered up with us, the Chef Marshall O'Brien Group. Now, we're more than just the Chef Marshall O'Brien guy here, okay? We've got registered dietitians, we have other chefs, writers, researchers, videographers, and we do a lot of really cool things with all sorts of organizations all across the state. And we now get to work with the YMCA and support all of you, its members. The YMCA is one of the pillars of the community, and when the YMCA is stronger, so are you, its members. We're going to be providing all sorts of smart nutrition solutions to make your life easier. Stay tuned because there's going to be a lot of cool things that you're going to find. Again, I'm really thrilled. It's a big privilege. And our passion and our knowledge are going to be accessible to you all as the weeks go on. You are going to love the way we make you feel.